This is the speaking test of the International English Language Testing System taking place on Friday, the 7th of March at my residence. The candidate is our very famous Fupi and the examiner is Shams.
Oh my God!
So Fupi, what is your full name, please?
The cow is a domestic animal.